Hi friends, I'm going to teach you how to solve questions on congruent triangles in this video, okay? If you haven't watched the video on congruent triangles that I've done before, please watch that before you watch this so that you can understand what I'm about to teach you, okay? So if you haven't subscribed to these lectures, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell also, and don't forget to comment on this video, alright? Let's get started. As I've said before, we've done a video on congruent triangles before. Please watch that before you watch this. And if you've watched this, okay, let's solve some questions on congruent triangles. And as I said in the other video, there are about 5 tests that we use to test whether 2 or more triangles are congruent. And this is what I'm writing. It's what I'm writing out now. So these are the 5 tests. Please watch the video on congruent triangles, the first video, so that you can understand. These 5, we have 5 tests, and I said it there in the other video. And they are SSS, side, angle, side, angle, side, and right angle, hypotenuse, and one side. Okay, so now, before you solve a question like number 1, which of the following triangles are congruent? You are going to first of all write out all the tests. You write out all the tests to make it easy for you to find them out. And then I'm looking at the options and I'm seeing that only 2 triangles are congruent. So I'm going to look at for 2 triangles that are congruent. Now let me look at the first one. Angle, side. Okay. There's nothing like that here. There's no rule like that. There's no angle side here. And now we have side, angle, side. Okay. So one of the rules is coming to play here. Side, angle, side. This one. Okay. Here we are seeing side, angle, side. Here we are still seeing side, angle, which is not there. So actually we can see that 4 centimeters, 70 degrees, 6 centimeters, and you can see that in another triangle, 4 centimeters, 70 degrees, and 6 centimeters. That is side, angle, side. The side angle, an angle and the side of this triangle is equal to the side, the angle, and the other side of this triangle. So we can say that both of them are congruent. And then that is number 2 and number 3. So we can conclude that the answer is D. These 2 are not congruent, and you can even see it from the fact that the 70 degrees is lying on the 6 centimeter side here, but here the 70 degrees is touching the 4 centimeter side and not the 6 centimeter side. So they are completely different. Okay, they are not congruent. All right. So now we are going to go over to number 2. Number 2, in proving the congruence of 2 triangles, which of the following is not important? Note, not. Which of the following is not important? This is a NECO question. Alright, these are actually past questions. I'm showing you NECO, and this is NABTEB. The third question is a NABTEB past question. And here we are asked to show which of the following is not important in proving the congruence of triangles, or 2 triangles. And we also fall back to this. Okay? Here, A, they are saying 2 sides and included angles. Can we see them here? Can we see that here? Well, yes, we can see it in SAS, okay? SAS. Alright? So it's important. B, 2 angles on the side. Is there any of the tests that allow for that? 2 angles on the side, yes, this one and this one. So we are seeing A, S, and ASA. Okay? Here we are seeing 3 sides. Yes, this one. So it's important. So all the ones we've seen so far, number 2 is important. That's B. All the ones we've seen so far are important. A, B, C, they are important. And then we are looking at D, 3 angles. Do we see AAA here? No, we don't see AAA here. And look at E, right angle, hypotenuse, and another side. And yes, we are seeing this one So it is true. This is important. Triangles is not important. This is the answer, D. It's not important. Take note of it. You don't determine whether two angles are congruent by saying that what? By knowing that the triangles are what? Equal. The reason for this is that any triangle, you could have this triangle, and you could have this bigger triangle. They have the same set of degrees. Let's say this is what? This is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, okay? And we have another 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. You can see they have the same set of angles, okay? But you cannot say they are congruent because they are not the same size. This one is bigger. But congruent triangles are triangles that have the same size and shape. Okay, one of the triangles will be the exact copy of the other, but this is not the exact copy. This one is bigger, so you cannot use the fact that the three angles are equal in a triangle and are equal to the other angles in the other triangle. You cannot use that to determine whether the two triangles are congruent. Okay, so this is the answer, and let's go back to number 3. The NABTEB question, which is in the diagram below, name the triangle which is congruent to what? And triangle XYZ. Triangle X, what? Y, Z. So you can see this triangle, and they are asking us which triangle, still in the same what? Diagram, is congruent to XYZ. You can see XYZ here. So we cannot say this triangle SYX or XYT or YTZ is equal to this because what? They are smaller. So let's use our eyes to measure what? Which one will be the same size, because we are looking at congruent. They will have the same size and shape. So we can look at these two. First of all, we can say, okay, this triangle can be equal. This triangle I'm talking about here can be equal to this one here. Okay. Now let's confirm that. You can see an angle here. You can see an angle here in this triangle. Let's look at the original triangle first. This original triangle, that is XYZ. One angle, this angle here is equal to what? This angle in this triangle we are talking about now. Okay? And then we are looking at what? We see this angle that we don't know anything about, and this triangle, okay, is still equal. You can see they are similar. Alright, so we are going to say that what? The answer is what? SYT, which is here, TYS, and that is A. Okay? This is the original triangle we are talking about. And we are saying that what? This what? TYS is equal to this one I've just drawn in blue. Because what? One of the reasons is that this angle is equal to this angle here. It's the same angle given by the fact that what is one line they used to draw both. And here we are seeing this angle and this angle. And in this triangle that we have taken as the congruent triangle, we still have that angle and that same angle that was here. So they are congruent, okay? And we can see that congruent triangles must have the same size and the same shape, and that's the answer. Alright, so don't forget to comment on this video, like it, and also keep watching. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe also if you haven't. Alright, God bless you. See you in my next video.